Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve x square by 36 equal 36 by x square. And so what is the value of x? So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write x square by 36 equal 36 by x square. So if I'll do cross multiplication, so we can write this as x square times x square equal 36 times 36. Now x square times x square equals 36. I can write it as 6 square times 6 square. So I can write this as x square whole square equals 6 square whole square. So x square whole square minus 6 square whole square equals 0. Now I'm going to use the identity that is a square minus b square, which is a plus b times a minus b. So a equal x square and b equal 6 square. So it becomes x square plus 6 square times x square minus 6 square equals 0. So first case x square plus 6 square equals 0 and second case x square minus 6 square equals 0. So here again I'm using the same identity in terms of plus. So a square plus b square equal a plus b iota and a minus b iota. So it becomes x plus 6 iota equals 0 and x minus 6 iota equals 0. So x equal minus 6 iota from here and x equals 6 iota from here. Now second case, x square minus 6 square equals 0. So here x plus 6, x minus 6 equals 0. So first x plus 6 equals 0, x equal minus 6 and x minus 6 equals 0. So x equals 6. So these are the two values of x in this case. So we have four values of x. X is minus 6 iota, x is 6 iota, x is minus 6 and x is 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.